ka wenak tanat rekam ka sorkar kami ka kyntiew ya ki kamrap ki kamriang ha ka jala Meghalaya bat ki jala shatay la mingi kari India ka Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR umyam menta ka sngi klala pan Rakhe ka jingiaid lynti ka basanpoi snem na do balawan ban sengya kani ka tanat rekam ha umyam kum kata ka tanat rekam ka bapet kerpang ya ki kamrap ki kamriang ki badai kat kum ka juk start ka bamenta ya kani ka jing Rakhe la pelong ha Dr. MS Swaminathan Hall ICAR umyam akabala wan ban shimbentaru do Dr. KM Pujar Barua former DDG Animal Science ICR New Delhi and former VC AAU Jorhat Dr. S Hazarika Director of ICR RCNEHR umyam Giriu shampang hakar kamrap ka kamriang lambat kan thop ru ki nongram na kaleng ka thambri bhoi hagani ka sngi la pensngap ru ye ki jingiaid lynti kabala kot shadu sanphuwei snem ba ka ICR kala shakri na ka benta ki nongra bat khamtam ba ka ICR kala dan ka benta pan kyntiew ye ki kamrap ki kamriang ki kamri jingri bat ki wei omtang na ka benta ki pa nongrap ka jila Meghalaya bat kum juru na ka benta ki jila shatay la mingi kari India kumbala penpau da ki jingkran na do Dr. KM Pujar Barua former DDG Animal Science ICR New Delhi and former VC AAU Jorhat but Dr. S Hazarika Director of ICR RCNEHR umyam kilong baka jingdan kani ka ICR ha umyam kala long shisha ka jingkerku yaki pa nyong rap ki jila shatay la mingi kari India na marha kani ka tanat rekam kila penankam da kita ki buj ram ki badai lingba ki kor ki bor ki buj jong ka jingwat panya ha ka kamram research bat kum juru ba ki nong rap kila board ya ka rukam rap ka balong kat kum ka juk start ka ba menta ban kyntiew ya ka kamrap ka kamriang bat ka yo ka kat jong ki nong rap
that ICAR research complex for the northeastern hilly region is now on the airwaves. Yes, bringing valuable.
I still remember that the last award was given in our institute in the foundation day. Dr. Bajwa sir was the chief guest that day. Our Mishra sir was the executive director. And I still remember Dole sir, everybody was there, Kalda sir. Thank you sir, it was an absolute COVID time. Now, for the best administrative oblique finance staff, Shri Arindam Chaudhary, personal assistant KVK Hailakandi. Please come the.
I request Dr. Sandeep Ghatak sir, head DFS, to kindly felicitate and welcome our director, Dr. Samaranda Hazarika.
Now the second.
During the last 51 years, 91 crop varieties of different crops. And these developed varieties have covered an area of 235,000 hectares in Northeast. As well as, because of the adoption of these varieties, there is an increase in the yield of the different crops, which ranges from 12 to 16%. So apart from these varieties, we have developed 241 technologies or protocols, and out of these, 14 technologies have already been certified by ICAR during the last 2 years. And apart from this, the institute has developed 60 integrated farming system models, and one of the model of that is integrated organic farming system model has been recognized. It was highlighted in United Nations Climate Change Conference of the Parties, that is COP26, held in Glasgow during 2021. So it also developed 18 diagnostic kits, and within the last 5 years we have received 4 patents. And during last 12 years we have conducted more than 16,800 training programs. These have benefited more than 4,83,000 farmers of the Northeast. During the last 5 years we have issued 36,000 advisory bulletins to the farmers and 80 lakh SMS, agro advisory SMS to the farmers. Under TSP, last 5 years, nearly 85,800 farmers were benefited through different interventions like training, development of physical assets, then distribution of different inputs. So, sir, this last 51 years we have developed many technologies, as I told you, but for these technologies we should be very happy. But we should not be complacent with the technology that we have developed in the last 51 years, because situation is changing. You see, you know that the hill agriculture has a lot of challenges, and apart from that challenges, one new monster has emerged, that is your climate change. That is going to affect the small and marginal farmers seriously, because as you know that this risk-bearing capacity is very, very low. So our farmers, I urge upon all the young scientists to meticulously develop research agenda, research plan.
2084-85. So many years have gone by. Okay, how many carbon we have sequestered is the question now. The different institutions have all been doing this on carbon sequestration and all that. Basic issue is, he also had touched upon photosynthesis as one of the things. Now, what to do in photosynthesis? If we talk about science, we must now be trying to see how the leaf size is enhanced, so that carbon dioxide capturing capacity is increased. It is that kind of research you will have to do, together with the grain, together with the tree, together with the thing. We will have to work on those things as well. And then from paddy field, the carbon emission. Have we recorded how much carbon actually is emitted? How to capture the carbon emitted? How to see that carbon dioxide captured is transformed into oxygen? There was a study, carbon dioxide captured under greenhouse condition from the paddy field was diverted to azula tank. And the azula tank, it has something that it could convert the carbon dioxide into oxygen. That kind of research is the need of the hour. On carbon credit again, little bit addition to it. What is my carbon credit? Have we thought of the carbon that we emit as individual, as human beings? There is a record, We say on an average 2.2 kg of carbon dioxide, all of us with cars and all that are emitting on an average. Say therefore, how to reduce 2.2 kg of carbon dioxide that we emit? Say I drive my car, say for average 15-20 km per day, somebody drives 100 kilometers. Every liter of petrol we burn, that emits carbon dioxide. Now can we reduce flying the vehicle at least to half, so that carbon dioxide emission is restricted to half? Similarly, kind of ACs we put on. 12 hours you put on the ACs, the carbon dioxide emission rate is very high. We do not bother even to put off the ACs, to put off the fans when we leave the office. Those kinds of things in agriculture. What is the carbon footprint of rice production, the wheat production, maize production, animal farming? That has to be assessed.